What's up, guys? Today we are working on a printer. Okay, it's a big printer right here. This printer, the only reason why we're making this video is because we get these types of printers so often and with the same problem. A lot of people have the same issue and we figured we should just make a video out of it. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's go ahead and turn on this printer. What we'll be seeing here is the error. So these printers, this is the HP Office 8610. A lot of them kind of say the same thing. There's a problem with this printer or ink system. Turn printer off and then on. Nonetheless, for a repair like this, in most cases, a printhead replacement will actually resolve this problem. And the repair itself is extremely simple. So all you need to do is just actually buy the part. You can get it from Amazon, just depending on which printer you have. If your printer is not working, if you're getting error codes and you're not able to figure it out and you're thinking it's mechanical, it's likely a bad printhead, even if it's not the same model as this. So we'll go ahead and remove each cartridge. On this particular model, you just press out the cartridges and they just come out like that. So what you would need to do is just unlatch the printhead. In this case, I'm just pushing up, and then now the printhead is loose. So on this one, you just pick up and you pull, maybe kind of nudge it a bit. This is a new printhead. We're just going to go ahead and install it and you'll be good to go. And the way you removed it, just put it back. Done. Latch, yellow and the yellow. Lastly, the black and black. Okay. Close. And this print failure should disappear. Yep, it just disappeared right there. Alignment recommended. Press OK. Press play. We'll do a quick print. Print reports, print status report, and make sure it is fully working. If you're having a printer problem and it's a $200–300 printer, likely it's a printhead failure. Some printers have error codes that kind of tell you that, hey, your printhead is failing or your printhead is not recognized or anything along the lines of that. You can either clean contact points. I'll show you right here on camera. These contact points, you can clean them. We've already done a clean on this one. It didn't resolve it. There are contact points behind it. You can disassemble your printhead if you want. That is a cheaper route. These printheads are about $100, give or take. But nonetheless, you can either repair what you have right here, such as this, or you can just get another one. So what we typically would like to do is clean all the contact heads and unhook that cable, open this up, and clean the contact heads from the back. Using an eraser is a good idea. And then we'll test it. If it works, we're good. If it doesn't, we typically replace the printhead. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a short one, but it should probably help some people. If you know anyone with a print problem or a printer problem, send them this video, and I'm pretty sure it may actually help them and save them a lot of money than buying a whole other printer.